In the heart of ancient Rome, warriors clashed with honor and strategy, employing tactics that would shape the course of military history. And astonishingly, these age-old techniques continue to influence modern warfare strategies, even today. As commanders shouted orders over the din of clashing swords and shields, they utilized formations and strategies that emphasized unity and precision principles that are still taught in military academies around the world. The sound of battle echoed through the valleys as each soldier fought not just for survival, but for a legacy that would influence future generations, blending ancient wisdom with today's advanced tactics. Every clash of swords resonated with the minds of great leaders who carefully planned each assault, demonstrating that the principles of teamwork and strategy forged in ancient battles remain crucial for success on today's battlefield. These legendary generals understood the importance of each soldier's role in achieving victory, a lesson that continues to resonate as modern leaders prepare their troops for the challenges of contemporary combat.